Meal prepping like a minimalist isn't just about saving time and money, it's about simplifying your life, reducing decision fatigue, and making healthy eating effortless. The goal is to create a system that works on autopilot, so you spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your meals. Start with a simple meal rotation. Instead of overwhelming yourself with endless recipes, choose a handful of meals that you love and can easily prepare. A minimalist meal plan could include 5 core meals that you rotate throughout the week. This prevents decision fatigue while ensuring variety. Use the power of batch cooking. Instead of cooking every single day, dedicate 1 or 2 days a week to making large batches of food. Cook a big pot of rice, roast a tray of vegetables, grill a batch of chicken, or prepare a hearty soup. Store these in the fridge so you can mix and match meals without cooking from scratch daily. Focus on versatile ingredients. Minimalist meal prep is about doing more with less. Choose ingredients that can be used in multiple meals. For example, roasted sweet potatoes can be added to a breakfast scramble, a salad, or a grain bowl. Grilled chicken can go into wraps, salads, or pasta. Keeping versatile staples on hand makes assembling meals quick and easy. Invest in quality storage containers. The right containers keep your food fresh, organized, and easy to transport. Opt for stackable, glass, or BPA-free plastic containers in a few standard sizes. Having a uniform set reduces clutter and makes your fridge look neat. Stick to a grocery list. Minimalist meal prepping means you shop with intention. Before heading to the store, make a list based on your meal plan and stick to it. Avoid impulse buys, unnecessary snacks, or ingredients that don't fit into your plan. This reduces waste and keeps your kitchen clutter-free. Embrace one-pot and sheet pan meals. Minimalist cooking means fewer dishes and less cleanup. Soups, stir-fries, sheet pan meals, and slow cooker recipes are perfect because they require minimal effort while making multiple servings at once. Portion meals in advance. Instead of leaving everything in bulk containers, portion out individual meals ahead of time. This makes grabbing lunch or dinner effortless, no extra thinking or prepping required during the week. Keep breakfast simple. Breakfast is often the easiest meal to simplify. Overnight oats, smoothies, boiled eggs, or yogurt with nuts and fruit are quick, nutritious options that require little to no prep. Limit sauces and seasonings. While variety is great, too many condiments and spices can clutter your fridge and pantry. Stick to a few essentials like salt, pepper, garlic, olive oil, and a couple of your favorite sauces. Less is more when it comes to minimalist cooking. Optimize your kitchen setup. A clutter-free kitchen makes meal prep more efficient. Keep only essential tools and ingredients within reach. Store kitchen gadgets, pots, and utensils in a way that maximizes space and accessibility. If you constantly have to dig through clutter, meal prepping becomes more frustrating than convenient. Use a clean out the fridge day. Designate 1 meal each week to use up leftovers and avoid food waste. This could be a stir-fry, a big salad, or a grain bowl with whatever's left in the fridge. Freeze extra portions. If you cook too much, don't let it go to waste. Freeze individual servings of soups, casseroles, or proteins for future meals. This ensures you always have something ready when you're short on time. Create a repeatable system. Minimalist meal prep isn't about doing it once. It's about creating a routine that becomes second nature. Find a system that works for your lifestyle and refine it over time. Whether that means prepping every Sunday, shopping with the same grocery list, or sticking to a handful of core meals, the key is consistency. Create themed meal days. Instead of reinventing your menu every week, simplify decision-making with themed days. For example, Taco Tuesdays, Soup Sundays, or Stir-Fry Fridays. This makes planning easier and helps you build a routine around familiar meals. Use pre-cut or frozen ingredients. While fresh ingredients are great, sometimes convenience is key. Buying pre-cut veggies, frozen fruits, or canned beans can save you tons of time. A minimalist meal prep strategy isn't about perfection, it's about sustainability and ease. Minimize cooking time. Opt for quick cooking ingredients like quinoa, couscous, or instant rice instead of long cooking grains. Choose lean proteins like shrimp or chicken breast that cook in minutes. The less time you spend cooking, the more sustainable your meal prep routine becomes. Embrace minimal cookware. You don't need 10 different pots and pans. A sheet pan, a large pot, a skillet, and a good knife can handle almost everything. Less cookware means less cleanup, which makes meal prepping feel less like a chore. Batch prep snacks. Don't just prep meals, prep snacks too. Wash and chop veggies, portion out nuts, or make a big batch of energy balls. Having healthy snacks ready prevents you from reaching for junk food when hunger strikes. Simplify your spice rack. Instead of keeping dozens of spices, stick to a few versatile ones that can work across multiple meals. Garlic powder, paprika, cumin, and chili flakes can be used in everything from roasted veggies to soups and marinades. Meal prep with a friend or partner. If you struggle to stay consistent, turn meal prep into a social activity. Invite a friend over, split the work, and batch cook meals together. This makes the process more enjoyable and helps you stay accountable. Keep a minimalist grocery list. Rather than shopping for new recipes every week, create a go-to grocery list with essentials you always buy. This reduces decision fatigue and helps you stick to a budget. Prioritize nutrient-dense foods. A minimalist approach to food means focusing on quality over quantity. Instead of stocking up on processed snacks and fillers, invest in whole, nutrient-dense foods like lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Master a few staple sauces. Instead of buying dozens of condiments, learn to make a few simple sauces that can elevate any dish. A garlic tahini sauce, a homemade vinaigrette, or a quick soy ginger glaze can add flavor without the clutter of store-bought bottles. Eat the same breakfast daily. If variety stresses you out, simplify breakfast by eating the same thing every day. Whether it's a smoothie, oatmeal, or eggs with toast, having a go-to breakfast removes unnecessary decisions in the morning. Declutter your pantry. A cluttered pantry makes meal prepping overwhelming. Get rid of expired ingredients, donate foods you won't use, and organize staples in clear containers so you can see everything at a glance. Use fewer ingredients per meal. Minimalist meal prep is about keeping things simple. Instead of meals with 10 ingredients, focus on meals that use 5 to 6 high-quality ingredients. This keeps cooking stress-free while maintaining flavor. Take inventory before shopping. Before heading to the store, check what you already have. This prevents you from buying duplicates and ensures you're using up existing ingredients before they go bad. Prep grab-and-go meals. If you have a busy schedule, prepare meals in containers you can take with you. Mason jar salads, protein-packed wraps, and overnight oats are great options for grab-and-go eating. Make meal prep a habit, not a task. Instead of seeing meal prep as a chore, build it into your lifestyle. Put on music or a podcast, make a cup of tea, and turn it into a relaxing weekend routine. When meal prep feels enjoyable, it becomes effortless to maintain. By refining your approach and removing unnecessary complexity, meal prepping becomes an easy, automatic part of your week. You'll save time, reduce stress, and eat healthier without overcomplicating the process.